For decades, the Central Medical Laboratory has been the silent backbone of Belize's healthcare system, processing thousands of vital tests that guide medical decisions across the nation. But behind closed doors, a critical situation was unfolding. Crumbling, dilapidated infrastructure threatened not just the building, but the health security of an entire nation.
It was just a few months before I started, that's about 19 years ago. There was a fire that gutted the first floor. For several years we could not use the first floor. On the other levels it was infected with mold. So that is a safety risk for the staff, apart from the testing with the contamination. And when it rains, my unit would be flooded with water.
As a staff, you didn't feel happy or excited to come to work when the environment was not welcoming.
In regards to the patients, we had the patients waiting outside. Many cases, the sun is very hot, so the patients will find themselves sweating.
Now that the retrofitting has occurred, I feel now that our laboratory is going to play a very important role ensuring that our employees feel good, they're in a clean working environment. Our patients will get better treatment, they're going to have privacy, they're going to be able to wait in a shaded area instead of in the sun hot.
In the retrofitting of the lab, we now have adequate space, not only for our patients, but for our staff, and it's more environmental friendly.
The lab has been modernized into a safer, more disaster resilient and environmentally conscious workspace for both staff and patients.
Some of the key upgrades that we embarked on to improve safety was to retrofit the ground floor. That essentially increased the working space of the lab by 50%. Some of the other initiatives that we embarked on to improve the energy efficiency of the building were the installation of high efficiency ACs and low flush toilets, faucets, LED lights, and we even installed a solar water heater on the roof. And importantly, an upgrade of the electrical system, which was a big issue for the lab. All of that was upgraded. We also moved the electrical room from the ground floor to reduce the potential of the electrical equipment being flooded. To address the mold issue, we embarked on was to install the fresh air unit that pumps cool, dehumidified, fresh air into every room of the lab.
After the retrofitting, I believe that our laboratory will be able to work at full capacity. We will be able to fulfill our corporate social responsibility, taking care of our patients. This means that we get to diagnose conditions faster with greater accuracy.
The retrofitting strengthens the lab capacity by enhancing safety compliance, boosting efficiency and productivity, increasing capacity, improving the lab's resilience, and upgrading essential lab systems to better respond to the health system needs.
The new retrofitted Central Medical Laboratory stands ready to protect health today and safeguard the future. This was made possible through the European Union-funded Health Sector Support Program Belize project implemented by the Pan American Health Organization, World Health Organization, in collaboration with the Ministry of Health and Wellness. The European Union-funded Health Sector Support Program Belize project, achieving a better quality of life for all Belizeans living now and in the future.